Ka jella megalaya hadu ka shibije mensngi jong ka khandai tarik unai lor kaladon shispa arpuengut kibayo thmai yo covid-19 shispa nyongut kibalakot no bat arngut kibalaklat no u director ke DHSMI u Dr. Amanwar ula pentip banakini shispa arpuengut kibayo thmai lai pungut kidine is kasil sesuai hakaba arngut kidine ki armed force paramilitary force arprangut kirupai ba arngut na ribhoi kibakan thup ye wei na ki armed force paramilitary force bat iwei rupai ba sangut kirupat ba na South Garo Hills Swing arposan ngut na West Garo Hills ki bakan thup ya khatwei ngut ki armed force paramilitary force bat khat sangut kirupat ba iwei irupat ba na West Garo Hills bat san phundai ngut kirupat ba na East Giant Hills Swing nagini ki sispa nyongut ki ba lakot no mentakasni prangut ki na East Garo Hills Swing arngut na South West Garo Hills Swing arngut na Riverhai District arngut na East Garo Hills District, sangut na East Giant Hills District, sangut na West Garo Hills District, bat sangut na North Garo Hills District. Da kajingyot mai kini ki shispa arpuengut bat kajingkot no ki shispa nyongut kajela megalaya hadu bapumi yakni ko khubor kadon lai hajar shispa khandai phnyot li ki positive case 6000 lai spa sanpsan li ki active case 6000 praspa arpulai li ki recovered case bat khat khandai ngut ki balakla no nagini ki 6000 lai spa sanpsan praspa rupongut ki dine is khasil sagaba shispa sampu art ki dine ki armed force paramilitary force news pa prangut ki dikiri upat ba ka West Khasils kadon lai puingut ki active case ka South West Khasils kadon iwei ka Riverhai District kadon shispa khatnyo hagaba lai puingut ki dine ki armed force paramilitary force bat prapuwei na ki upat ba ka West Giant Hills kadon khatweingut ka East Giant Hills kadon prapsangut ka West Garo Hills kadon shispa khandai pulaingut hakaba khandai punyo ki dine ki armed force paramilitary force bat khandai punrium na ki upat ba sangut na South West Garo Hills arpungut na South Garo Hills arpulaingut na East Garo Hills bat khandaingut na North Garo Hills swing.
The total number of new cases is 121. East Khas Hills 30. 2 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces. 28 from the others category. Riverhai 2, 1 from the armed forces, paramilitary force. 1 from the others category. South Garo Hills 4, West Garo Hills 25, 11 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 14 others category. West Khasi Hills 1, East Giant Hills 59, all from the others category. The total number of active cases stands at 1,355. In East Khas Hills 860, 152 armed forces, paramilitary forces, 708 others category. West Khas Hills 31, Southwest Khas Hills 1, Riverhai 117, 31 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 86 from the others category. West Giant Hills 11, East Giant Hills 85, West Garo Hills 193, 97 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 96 from the others category. Southwest Garo Hills 5, South Garo Hills 20, East Garo Hills 23, North Garo Hills 9. The total number of recovered cases is 107. 88 from East Khas Hills, Southwest Garo Hills 2, Riverhai 2, East Garo Hills 2, East Giant Hills 4, West Garo Hills 5, and North Garo Hills 4. 2 reported deaths in East Khasi Hills, one last night and another one today early in the morning. The total deaths stands at 19. And the total number of cases who have recovered is 1,823. Recovered 107. The total number of samples sent for testing till 2 p.m. today is 1,04,090. And the total number of persons who have tested negative is 99,640. The number of test results awaited till 2 p.m. today is 1,253. And the total number of people who have entered the state till today 2 p.m. is 34,399.